Okay, so good morning, everybody. We are back with another class, and today we are going to cover the remaining functions of the database function family. In the last two classes, we have covered dsum, dcount, and dcount_a, and today we're going to cover daverage and dmax function also. So daverage, as the name says, it's going to return the average in a given field for a record that matches the criteria, and dmax function is going to return the maximum value in a field from a set of record that match the criteria. We can use dmin function to get the minimum value accordingly. So let's see how the dmax and daverage function works. So we go back to our Excel sheet, and I hope it's visible. So I talk about d average. The database I've already made over here, which I have been using for the other functions. So I say the average. I will select the database from serial number to dates. I say comma. In the field, I say sales, and in the sales, I have already written greater than 1000. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to close the bracket. So it has given me the average of the sales, which is more than 1000. And if I say the average, I can easily calculate with the help of the average function. We have done that. And I will simply write 2000 just to verify whether the answer that we are getting is right or wrong. It's a good practice if you check. It will authenticate your answer, and you don't have to worry about any mistake that may be done by the computer. So it's a good practice to do like that. I get the exact answer as 4655.75. Let me make it bold so that it is visible. Just increase only this much size, right? Let me do average, the average one more time. I say database. I will close, say comma, and this time I want to put the cost. I say comma, and in the cost I've already mentioned the criteria. I want to have the cost which is more than 200. I close the bracket, and I get this as the answer. Now let me check what is the value which is more than 200. So for cost, it is first is this 300, 400, and then you have 234. Indeed, I am getting, no, wait, something I've missed. More than 200. Oh, I did the wrong thing, because F3 is not more than 100, so this will go. Now it is the exact answer that I'm getting over here. Let me just check one more time. It is more than 200, so it is going to be 300, and F10 is not there in the line. Yes, F10 is not there. It is F4 to F5 to F9, and then we have this. Yes, if I just do like this, I will get exact answer as 374.8571. Let me do it one more time for another. If I say average, the database, I'm going to select the whole database, including the headers. Then I say cost, and then I mention the date. So I say the date, and then I close the bracket. I got 283 as the answer for the average. So let me see how I'm getting the answer. So not equal to, I have to actually take the cost like this. So let me just find the cost. I say average. I'm just verifying the answer that I've got so that I don't have to worry about anything. So the cost is this. which is in this. Then you have, no, after F5, we have this and this. Then I close the brackets. I got 283 as the answer, and indeed the answer is right. Right? Please do check the answers that you're getting just to verify the answers. The last is D max, which is again very simple as we have been doing the functions D sum, D average, D count, and D count A. This one is going to give you the max value that is matching with the criteria. So I say sales and I select say cost, and then I close the brackets. I got 15678. Indeed, 15678 is the answer over here. Right? Let me do it again just for the better understanding. So I say B max. I will select the whole database. Please remember to select the whole database, including the headers. At this time, I'm taking color, and criteria is the date. Let's see what I get. I get 0 as the answer because indeed there is no max color which is happening matching the criteria. So let me change the criteria. Let me write marks. I say marks 1. This time I got 42 as the answer. So let me find out marks 1, 42 is this. Right? So it will simply give you the max value of from all the values which are matching with the criteria. So of all the values of the date which is not equal to 10th October, it has given me the max value from that lot and returned 42 as the answer. एक बार और कर लेते हैं. Let me do it one more time. So I say D max. I select the whole database one more time, and this will complete our database function. So this time I want to have say the field as cost, and the criteria is say this. It is going to give me 0 as the answer because indeed the criteria is not matching with any particular thing. So if I say color, I say P1 to P2. And now it is going to give me the max value of the cost matching that color over here. I've mentioned blue over here, so there are two blues, 200 and 450. It has given me 450 as the answer because 450 is the max value given in the data set. So that was all for the database functions. We'll be back with more functions. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you so much.